Welcome back to MotorVision, your one-stop destination for all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars, concepts, and industry trends. Now, let's dive into something really exciting: Volkswagen's newest entry into the EV world, the 2025 Volkswagen Carman. The name Carman might sound new, but it carries a strong legacy inspired by the classic Carman Ghia. Volkswagen has brought this iconic design language into the modern era with a futuristic twist, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Carman is Volkswagen's bold step forward in the electric coupe segment, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Carman boasts a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that screams sophistication. The front fascia features a minimalist LED light bar running across the grille-less nose, with a sharp VW logo sitting front and center. Its coupe-like roofline flows effortlessly into a sculpted rear, giving it a sporty yet elegant presence on the road. The Carman rides on 20-inch aero wheels that not only look great but also help improve efficiency. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, we've got VW's MEB platform doing the heavy lifting. The Carman comes with dual-motor all-wheel drive, pushing out around 300 horsepower, and can go from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. It's not just fast, it's smart, too. The range is estimated at around 350 miles on a full charge, thanks to its 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack and efficient power management system. Inside, the Carman is all about comfort and connectivity. The interior design is clean, modern, and eco-conscious, using sustainable materials like recycled fabrics and vegan leather. A massive 15-inch touchscreen controls nearly everything, while a digital cockpit keeps the driver informed without clutter. Voice commands and haptic feedback take user interaction to the next level, making the driving experience both intuitive and futuristic. Volkswagen has also packed the Carman with advanced safety and driver assist features. Expect to see adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and VW's latest iteration of travel assist, which brings the car closer to level 3 autonomous driving on select roads. Charging is also made easy, with 175 kilowatts DC fast charging capability. You can juice up from 10 to 80% in just about 25 minutes, making road trips less of a hassle and more of an adventure overall. The 2025 Volkswagen Carman is shaping up to be a game-changer. It's not just a car, it's a statement. A blend of heritage, innovation, and forward-thinking design that puts VW right back in the spotlight of the EV race. That's all for today's video. What do you think about the 2025 Volkswagen Carman? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MotorVision for more car reviews.